Amrita, are you launching a Cine Young Challenge 2015? What is this year about and what's your feeling? But are you here and Nisha, are you enjoying the...
Well, yes, I'm here for Shine Young 2015 और ऐसे महीनों में मई जून के महीनों में there are lots of things that kids should do and I think this place offers a great workshop where they want to bring in kids to shine, to show their talent और जहाँ पे उनके talents हैं वो सही तरीके से they have to hone it, they have to make it good. So I think this is a great workshop where they can come in, चाहे master chef classes हो, art and craft class हो, या fashion show ho. It's a great way for a child to become confident, to use their time beautifully in the holiday season, and also to get to know where their interest lies and what they really love doing. So I think this kind of stuff is great for mothers also, क्योंकि उन लोग ढूंढते रहते हैं जैसे कि मेरे बच्चे जब छुट्टियों के महीनों में I keep thinking कि कौन से workshop में डालूँ, what should we do? You just don't want them to be on their iPad या just watch TV. So I think these things are great for them to literally get into what they love to do, and with great people on the panel like Aditi, Vabis and Amy, I think it's great that they come forward, know their talent and then shine.
आपके बारे में भी अगर हम बात करें तो काफ़ी फिट एंड फाइन हमेशा आप रहती हैं, ब्यूटीफुल हमेशा आप कैमरे पे दिखती हैं, तो अमृता के फिटनेस का राज क्या है?
अमृता का फिटनेस का सबसे बड़ा राज है खुशी. You have to be happy here, very happy mentally, and you have to make yourself happy to make other people happy. तो मेरा यही है कि अगर मैं खुश हूँ अपने साथ, with myself, I can make others happy. That motivates me to go into the gym, to work out. I love to look lovely. I love to step out looking like a great mom. ऐसे नहीं है कि once you have kids, you just let yourself go. Today's mother is very confident. She's fit. She's beautiful. She's intelligent. She's smart. So I think I just go into the gym and I work out and wash away all my worries.
तो अमृता को हम इन फ्यूचर में और कोई आइटम सॉन्ग या कोई इनिशिएटिव या कुछ ऐसा कुछ देखेंगे हम?
I'm not sure about item songs, but I would love to do other stuff. Lots to do with children. Yeah, कुछ भी. I mean, other than item songs, I'd love to do a lot of other things.
एक आखिरी सवाल होगा मेरी तरफ से. हर किसी को 6 सॉन्ग में सलमान खान की वेडिंग का काफ़ी डिज़ायर है, तो आप क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे उसके बारे में और आप क्या कुछ फीलिंग है?
I wouldn't want to comment on that. No.
कितने साल की उम्र के बच्चों के लिए टैलेंट है और
Well,
एक्टिविटी होनी चाहिए?
बच्चों का मतलब एज फैक्टर है ही नहीं. Once a child is 2 and he starts walking, उनमें से थोड़े बहुत टैलेंट्स होते ही हैं. So I think this is a workshop where as soon as your kid is a toddler, या तो 3 साल से right up to the age of 15 years, I think this is a great place where they can come in at any time. और the beauty of this is Shine Young 2015 is that there are different things. तो अलग अलग के workshops हैं अलग अलग एज ग्रुप्स के लिए. तो from 3 to 15 I think any of the age groups can come in here and shine on. आप लोग तो हमेशा साथ देते हो, तो that's really good. And I like doing this thing for kids. I mean, एक माँ होके we always are looking for things to do with our children. And I think to support causes like this is very useful to us as well as for other parents out there and all the kids out there, so they can come forward and become confident and just shine in whatever they're doing.
आपके फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट क्या क्या है?
कुछ नहीं.